Welcome to LinMot Tutorials. In this video, we will demonstrate how to size an FM guide for the x-axis of a pick and place. Before we start, we're going to go to the Info tab in Global Settings. Here we have the breakdown of the masses that make up the total moving mass. In this case, it is 4,408 grams. So we need to go to the Load tab and insert the mass 4,408. Next, let's choose an FM guide. In this case, we'll use a 37 by 120 motor with a 335 mm stroke. To choose a motor, go back to Motor in Global Settings and click on the motor box. Under Category, select Linear Motor with Guide. The group will be FM01. In Family, we will select the 37 by 120 motor. Under Type, we will select the guide with the 335 mm stroke. Be sure to check that the moving part is the stator. You can double check the load settings and see that the stator is moving and that the system friction has been added. Next, we will create our motion profile. Segment 1 will be at a 600 millisecond standstill while the z-axis picks the part. In segment 2, the x-axis will move 300 millimeters in 500 milliseconds. Remember that the z-axis picked a part. In this case, the part will be 500 grams. We will add that to the mass in the Local Load Settings tab. Segment 3 will be another 600 millisecond standstill while the part is being placed. Finally, in segment 4, the motor will return to its original position in a 500 millisecond move. As you can see in the bottom left corner, this sizing is okay and there are no errors or warnings. This concludes the tutorial. Thank you.